Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Putri and Salsabila. I am from grade 12 Science 1. In this video, I will show you how to make a paper bag. Okay, let's just see the video.
Materials and tools. Manila paper with size 45 by 25 cm. Cardboard with a size 16 by 6 cm. Pencil, ruler, rope, glue, paper hole. Steps. Prepare manila paper, then glue one end of the paper as shown in the video. Fold the paper in half and glue it with the end of the paper that has been glued earlier. Then fold the left and right sides of the paper with a width of 3 cm each. Fold the bottom of the paper 7 cm wide. Fold the paper to form the base as in the video. Glue one side of the cardboard. After that, put the cardboard in it to serve as a base. Then, glue the ends of the paper. Then, fold the paper as in the video. Glue the top of the paper, then fold it inward. Fold the paper according to the lines and trim. Make a hole in the top of the paper. Tie the rope as in the video. Paper bag is ready to use.
Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.